Hi, my name is Edward, and today I'll show you an interesting use case in the real estate industry because I spent the last 20 years in real estate business, managing customers' relationships, and I wish this tool existed even 5 years ago. In a real estate business, the most hard thing to do is when you try to be available 24/7 to all your clients. But this thing is impossible unless you have unlimited budgets. So this case is interesting for small and medium-sized businesses that wants to offer the best customer experience, even if they can't always be there to answer the phone. So in this case, we helped realtors in less than 30 days capture every qualified lead and save more than 20 hours monthly without the stress of filtering irrelevant calls or missing after-hours opportunities. This will take about 5 minutes. I'll call the agent live to show exactly how the agent filters irrelevant calls and store only qualified leads automatically in your CRM. This way, you will not waste precious time by having endless conversations with prospects that lead nowhere. Okay, so we begin. This is the property that we will call. It's a property in Brooklyn. So let's call the agent.
Hi there, this is Karen from Galaxy Realty. I'm an AI virtual assistant, and just a heads up, this call will be recorded for training purposes. Are you calling as a potential home buyer for a property today?
Hi, Karen. Yes, sure. I saw a property on Zillow. Can you please give me more details?
Absolutely, I can help with that. Could you please share the address of the property you saw, or if you have it handy, the MLS ID? That'll help me pull up the right details for you.
Yes, it's 850 East 39th Street, number 1, Brooklyn.
Great, thank you. Here's what I found for 850 East 39th Street, Hash 1, Brooklyn, New York, 11210. It's a single-family home in East Flatbush, Brooklyn. The property has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and about 1,572 square feet of living space. It was built in 1925 and comes with a garage. The current listing price is $250,000. Is there anything specific you'd like to know about this property, or would you like to schedule a viewing?
Yes, I would like to know if I can move in next week.
I get that. Timing is super important. This property is currently listed as a short sale, which means the bank still needs to approve the sale before anyone can move in. The approval process can take some time, so moving in next week might not be possible. Would you like to schedule a viewing anyway, or do you want to hear about other properties that might be available sooner?
Okay, let's schedule a viewing.
Perfect. Could you please spell out your email address for me just so I get it right for the appointment?
Yes, it's john@gmail.com.
Thanks. Just to confirm, your email is john@gmail.com, right? What day and time works best for you to view the property? And if you know your time zone, that'll help me set it up just right.
Yes, I'm in New York, and tomorrow at 2 p.m. would be great.
Got it. I'm booking your viewing for tomorrow at 2 p.m. One moment while I confirm that for you. Looks like tomorrow at 2 p.m. isn't available for a viewing. Would you like to try Monday morning at 9 a.m., Tuesday at 3 p.m., or Wednesday at noon instead?
Monday, it's okay.
Booking your viewing for Monday at 9 a.m. Hang tight while I confirm that for you. Looks like Monday at 9 a.m. isn't available either. Would you like to try Tuesday at 3 p.m. or Wednesday at noon? Let me know what works best for you.
Tuesday at 3 p.m. It's okay.
Booking your viewing for Tuesday at 3 p.m. Hang tight while I confirm that for you. You're all set. Your viewing is booked for Tuesday at 3 p.m. Is there anything else I can help you with today? If not, thanks for choosing Galaxy Realty. We're excited to help you find your new home.
Thank you, Karen. That would be all. I wish you a good day.
Thank you, John. Wishing you a fantastic day as well. If you need anything else, just give us a call. Galaxy Realty is here for you 24/7. Take care.
Bye. Okay, so as you saw, this was the first scenario where the agent successfully booked a viewing at the property. And now we will prepare another scenario where we will have a client that is a little difficult and needs to be transferred right away to the agent. So let's make the call.
Hi there, this is Karen from Galaxy Realty. I'm an AI virtual assistant, and just a heads up, this call will be recorded for training purposes. Are you calling as a potential home buyer for a property today?
Hi, Karen. Yes, I saw property on Zillow and I want to buy it.
Thanks for reaching out. I can definitely help with that. Could you please share the address of the property you saw on Zillow? If you don't have the address handy, the MLS
Yes, I have
ID
it.
works too.
I have it. It's 850 East 39th Street, Brooklyn.
Great, thank you. You're interested in 850 East 39th Street in Brooklyn. I'll get you the details on that property. Before we dive in, is it okay if I ask you a few quick questions to better understand what you're looking for? This will help us serve you best.
Karen, I'm in a hurry, so I don't want to answer any questions. I want to see if the papers are in order. Can you confirm that?
I understand you're in a hurry. For questions about paperwork or legal status, I can connect you directly with our agent, Edward, who can give you the most accurate information. Let me transfer you right now so you get the answers you need as quickly as possible.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm transferring you to Edward now so he can help with your paperwork questions. Thanks for choosing Galaxy Realty.
Okay, so now we will pretend that I'm Edward and the agent, and I'm answering the phone. Hello.
Hi, Edward. I have a customer on the line who is interested in the property at 850 East 39th Street in Brooklyn. They want to confirm if the paperwork is in order and have some questions about the legal status. I've briefed them and they're ready for you to assist.
Perfect. Thank you. Okay. So this was the transfer of the client. Okay, let's make another scenario very quick with a customer that will answer the qualification questions to show you exactly how they will be stored in the CRM. It won't take long.
Hi there, this is Karen from Galaxy Realty. I'm an AI virtual assistant, and just a heads up, this call will be recorded for training purposes. Are you calling as a potential home buyer for a property today?
Hi, Karen. Yes, I'm interested in buying a property in New York.
Thank you for letting me know you're looking to buy in New York. We can definitely help with that. Is it okay if I ask you a few quick questions to get a better idea of what you're looking for?
Yes, please.
Great, thanks. Let's start with the basics. What type of property are you looking for? For example, a house, an apartment, or something else?
An apartment.
Got it. You're looking for an apartment. What's the ideal area or neighborhood in New York you'd like to buy in?
Manhattan.
Perfect. Manhattan is a fantastic choice. What's your budget range for the apartment? If you're not sure, just a rough idea is fine.
Between 500,000 and 600,000.
Thanks for sharing your budget. How soon are you hoping to make a purchase? Are you ready to move forward soon, or is this more of a long-term plan?
No, in 1 month.
Ah, I see. So you're looking to buy within the next month. Are you planning to live in the apartment yourself, or is this for investment purposes?
No, just for investment.
Okay, so it's for investment. Is there anything specific you're looking for in terms of investment potential, like rental income or future appreciation?
Yes, rental income and future appreciation, of course.
Makes sense. Rental income and future appreciation are both smart goals. Will you be purchasing the apartment in cash or will you need a mortgage?
All cash.
That's great. An all cash purchase usually makes the process much smoother. Are there any specific features you absolutely need in the apartment? For example, number of bedrooms, amenities, or anything else?
Yes, it has have to have 2 bedrooms, a gym, and a pool.
Thanks for sharing those details. Now, so our agents can reach out, could you please provide your first name, last name, email, and phone number?
Yes, my name is John Maxwell, and the email address is john at gmail.com.
Yeah.
And the phone
Thanks,
number,
John. Just
yeah, and the phone number. Can I tell you my phone number?
absolutely go ahead and share your phone number when you're ready.
Yeah, so the phone number is +1 310 555 800.
Yeah. Thank you for your patience. Just to make sure I got everything right. You want to buy an apartment in Manhattan within the next month. Your budget is up to $600,000 and you're buying all cash for investment, mainly for rental income and future appreciation. You need 2 bedrooms, a gym, and a porch. Your contact details are John Maxwell. Email is john@gmail.com, and your phone number is 1-300-10-500-55-800. Is all of that correct?
Yes.
Awesome. Thanks for confirming. To set up a viewing or a call with Edward, could you please spell out your email address for me just to make sure I have it right?
GOHN at gmail.com.
Thanks. Just to confirm, your email is gohn@gmail.com, right?
Yes.
Perfect. Thank you. What day and time would you prefer for your viewing or call with Edward? And just to double check, are you in Eastern time or a different time zone?
No, I'm in Eastern time.
Great. Thanks for confirming you're in Eastern time. What day and time works best for you to meet with Edward?
Friday at 12 p.m.
Booking your appointment with Edward for this Friday at noon Eastern time. Your appointment with Edward is all set for this Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern time. If you have any more questions or need anything else, just let us know.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for choosing Galaxy Realty. We look forward to helping you find the perfect investment property.
Thank you. Bye. Okay, so that was the first use case. And let's see what happened. What just happened behind the scenes. Okay, so let's look for. This is the latest. So this is what the agent stored in the CRM. We will pretend that this Excel file is the CRM. So the number, the phone number, the email address. This is the full transcript. If you want to read it, also the summary, the short summary. This is the recording URL where you can listen to the conversation. And of course, all the details that we shared, the client shared on the phone. Okay. You see, normally you wouldn't answer this phone because the client called in late 10 minutes after your agency closed, which is very frustrating because this client could be the one that you will close the transaction with. As you noticed at the beginning of the call, agent asked about the property details. To ensure that the voice agent correctly identified the property, we specifically trained the agent to look in the database for both address and MLS ID as a backup solution. Regarding the appointment booking, here is what happened behind the scenes. So let me show you a little bit about the agent. Here are the functions, the availability calendar, check availability, where you can set all the API keys and the time zone, of course. The end of call report, that this is the function that earlier stored all the details of the client. This is an interesting function, gather information. So this, what it's doing is extracting new home buyer qualifying data like property type, budget, range, location, urgency, mortgage approval, first name, last name, email, and phone number. All of these fields, they are extracted during the call. And as you noticed earlier, the agent also made like a summary live to the client to remind him about what he said. So everything to be just fine. Regarding the appointment booking, the voice agent accesses the realtor calendar in real time to check whether there are free time slots for the requested meeting. It identified potential free time slots and proposed back to the customer free options from which to choose. After the customer confirmed one of the proposed options, then the voice agent will confirm the option, sets the meeting in the calendar, and in the same time, everything in less than 1 second sends a meeting confirmation to the email to both the customer and to the agent. Of course, this can also be set to send an SMS. Okay, so if you want to send an SMS, you can also use this function for sending an SMS. Here you would write what variables to send, and it would be a prompt or a static sentence. And also, as a new feature for the agent can also communicate via SMS on two-way. So, for example, if a voice AI agent sends the appointment details on SMS, the client can respond back, and the agent can confirm or no the appointment booking details. On Monday, when the agent will return to the office, he will find the booked appointment without having to do anything and without having to hire extra staff. As I said earlier, I've been in real estate for more than 20 years, and I know that phone calls can be very, very stressful. This is why here at Cyber Voice, we developed this custom solution for real estate industries and also similar, of course, service-based industries for the business owners to focus on what matters the most, closing transactions and offering the highest possible service to their customers. To summarize the benefits you just witnessed, the voice agent knows how and when to filter the most qualified prospects without you spend precious time talking with everybody. The agent stores important information in your CRM and books meetings in your calendar for emergency situations or when the voice agent can handle complex situations that require human intervention. It will know how and when to transfer the call to a human agent. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, you can always leave a comment or you can subscribe, and I'm happy to assist you. Thank you.